Hi, this is Best India Reviews. Quick, honest reviews to help you choose the right product every time. Let's begin.
In this video, we will share the best electric upholstery staple guns you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many electric upholstery staple guns and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each electric upholstery staple guns so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss the key things to consider when buying an electric upholstery staple gun. First, check the power and adjustability of the tool. A good staple gun should have adjustable power settings to handle different materials without damaging fabric. Next, look at the type and size of staples it supports, as some models only fit specific staple sizes. Compatibility ensures you can easily find replacements when needed. Also, consider comfort and safety features like ergonomic grips, trigger locks, and lightweight design for long use. Corded and cordless options affect mobility and power consistency, so choose based on your workspace. Finally, read reviews about reliability, jam resistance, and ease of loading staples. These points help you find a durable, efficient tool for upholstery projects. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful guides.